Hello and welcome to Powertek US Inc. We are in one of the Powertek calibration facilities. This one is on Long Island, and today we're going to be talking about the MC140 multifunction calibrator. Underneath it we have a higher current calibrator, but we won't go into this in much detail today. The focus is going to be on this rather nice multifunction voltage current calibrator. An overview of this product. The calibrator basically outputs voltage and current, but it can actually output both those quantities at the same time, controlling the phase between them, which means it's an ideal power calibrator as well. Looking at the calibrator, we have a screen there that shows you the present function that's enabled, the value, the frequency, the type of waveform that's coming out. It's all in this status screen. We have a spin wheel and up and down keys which allow the user to actually change any of the values, and you can do it in increments or type in the value or even just rotate the actual parameter using the spin wheel. To the right of the numerical entry, what we have is all the functions of the calibrator, and let's just talk about these because this really defines what it can do. The calibrator has a voltage and current key at the top there. We can switch from voltage, we can press that for current. The key thing is we're talking from 0 to 1000 volts and 0 to 20 amps, and that's both AC and DC, and variable frequency in the AC mode. Coming down, AC DC button there, and power energy button. So there we can actually look at energy in terms of watts. We can change the phase or the power factor, and this allows calibration of energy meters, electricity meters, any kind of power measurement equipment. And then coming down we've got RC, that's resistance and capacitance. Inside this calibrator it simulates precision resistors and capacitors, and again it's continuously variable. Frequency, quite useful for calibration of frequency meters. We can output a precise frequency, set it on the display, send it to the frequency meter. Here we have a meter button, and that controls whether the auxiliary interface is on and off. And that quite simply means that this auxiliary interface can actually measure external voltage precisely. So you can turn that on and off, or you can just use the output terminals which are controlled by that button there. In terms of the overall performance of the calibrator, it is anything really from 0.01% right through to about 0.5%, depending on the actual parameter that is set. And the good thing is with this calibrator, it will actually tell you what the traceable accuracy is. So that is the overview of this calibrator. I must stress that it is a working standard at Powertek, and this particular calibrator is sent away every year to an external accredited calibration facility. And that can be, for example, ISO 17025 or A2LA or Z540. In the UK we have them sent away for UCAS, so we use external laboratories to actually allow the traceable link and the accreditation of this calibrator. Bearing in mind that we have several standards within the actual laboratory here, which are standard shunts, high accuracy DMMs, so we can verify this on a monthly basis just to make sure that it is performing as we'd expect. And as you can see, that Powertek is well known for making precision phase meters, which measure to like 0.01 of a degree, which is 10 millidegrees. So we are very able to verify the phase performance. So in addition to the yearly calibration cycle, we're constantly monitoring our calibrators just to make sure that we know that they're working within spec and giving a high degree of confidence. In my next video, what I'm going to do is do a closer up of the front panel, and we'll look at how the user can actually set the calibrator and make some standard outputs. Okay, thank you.